In this video, we're gonna talk about subject because this part of the process of starting your box truck business is kind of confusing for a lot of people. So I decided to make a video and give the different steps. So after applying for the MC number, a lot of people don't know what to do or when should they get the BOC3 or insurance. So in this video, I'm gonna explain you all about what you need to do, what to do after applying for your MC. So to get in touch with me, your presenter Mimi Diallo, you can contact me through my email, emaillegacytransport@gmail.com, or this is my cell phone number, or click in the link in the description, or call my cell phone or text. Please, text is better. So in the description of the video, you will have a link to book a free session with me, a strategy session, or you can access my membership courses by going to this link, Mimi Boxshock Business, that thinkific.com. So for you to make it interstate, so first of all, in case you're still asking what is an MC, a MC is to give you the right to deliver interstate out of your state. So that you need an MC, but when you do the application, that's not all. There is two main things that you need to do during that period where you're waiting. So basically, it's gonna take the FMCSA, that's the authority that will do your process your MC. It will take them 21 days to process it. So during that 21 day is you must get two things. So if you don't get those two things during the 21 day, they will not activate your MC. So during that 21 day, you need to do the following two steps. You need to get a BOC3 blanket of coverage and an insurance for your box truck. I know you might be asking, but Mimi, I haven't buy the truck yet. No, this is the part that a lot of people get stuck because they don't want to start paying insurance because they don't have the truck, or they don't want to get the truck because they will be waiting for the. So this is the part that you have to do it no matter how you're gonna have to pay something. You have to do that. So the BOC3 blanket of coverage, I have a video in my training courses that go through all of that, how to do it, what it is, and how it look like, and how to shop for insurance. So this video, we're not gonna go in detail on this thing, just to keep the video concise and focus on what to do after the MC. So you have to get those in those 21 day. But if you don't, for some reason you don't, then your MC gonna be inactive. And then after for you, let's say 30 day after or 45 day after you have the BUC in the insurance, now you want to reactivate. I think the fine is $60 to have it reactivate. So this chapter, I just mentioned, I have a video tutorial and PDF on how to get the both the BOC3 and the insurance. That's in my portal. If you want to access the link, it's gonna be in the description under. So, little warning, FMCSA will not contact you after your application. So after you do your application, it's gonna be you're gonna receive a call. You're gonna be a star for the following 2 weeks. People gonna be calling you left and right. People gonna send you email. People gonna send you a bunch of mail. So be ready. But I want to warn you, those they're gonna all of those companies gonna have a name like a Federal something, Motor Carrier something. They're gonna make the best to look like is coming from the Federal Motor Carrier. So don't fall for it. because the FMCSA, they will not contact you by telemarketing or robocall. They will not ask for your credit card by phone number by phone. Charge a fee for downloadable form that you can find on the website. So be careful to that. They will give you a bunch of stuff, making you scared. But a lot of those things, I mean, they just trying to sell the service. Okay. So I want you to, all those call and stuff you're gonna receive is not from the FMCSA. Okay. It's not from the federal government. So it's gonna be a lot of the marketing material will not apply to box truck business. That's what I mean by they will try to scare you, because they will tell you this is mandatory to have in the email or the phone call or text message. But it's mandatory, but is it mandatory for box truck? No. So I will give you the list of on the next slide. And in my training, you see is very detailed what you need and all the things. So you don't need all of those things they're gonna send you. Like they will scare you. You gotta have a drug consortium or if that no, those are for big truck, the CDL. That's not for box truck, no CDL. And my training is based on business, starting a business for box truck business, box truck no CDL. So again, they will be coming from third party trying to sell you their service. So just take what you need, talk to them, talk to few agent, insurance agent, BOC, get the cheapest one, but some of them you don't have to take it. Okay. Give you the list. Just stick to that list. That's the thing that you need to take. So in case you get a letter, even though with the warning that I give to my student, there will be still few letter that will really catch your attention, and you'll be like, oh, maybe Mimi didn't see that one. If you have a doubt about a letter, just take a picture and send it to my cell phone number, okay, or my email, and I will help you sort it out. Most likely, it's not gonna be from the FMCSA. All right. So this is the list of what a box truck. Again, a box truck business need to have a non-CDL. The state, the rule, the state the rule clearly. BOC3, insurance, UCR, box truck duty inspection, driver qualification for any driver. It doesn't matter that you are the owner and you driving, because some people will ask, since I'm the owner, do I need to have the driver qualification and the duty medical card? Yes, anybody who's driving your truck need to have it. But if you are owner, you are owner, but you don't drive and you hire a driver, so the driver need the driver qualification file done and a duty medical card for the driver. So I'm not gonna go in detail of what all each of these are and how to do get them, because I have a video on it. So it's not the purpose of this video, specific video. This one, I wanted people to know just what they need after and what apply to the box truck, non-CDL box truck business, which you need to have. Okay. So again, BOC3 and insurance for the first 21 day. Then after UCR, some people will go ahead and do the UCR at the same time when they doing the BOC3 and the insurance, the box truck duty inspection. And then after driver qualification file due done, duty medical uh card done. And of course, when you do you have a box truck, you have to do the registration and the tag. Okay. But the tag, you don't need the appropriation. I can never say that word. You just need a local tag, and I have a video on that too. So if I try to go in detail of each of one, this gonna be a very long video. So I apologize if I cannot go delay. So I like quotes. Anybody who know me, I go by those quotes. Knowledge will give you power, but character will give you respect, and that's something I believe hard. Like you gotta deserve the respect that people give it to you. So this is me, Mimi, and I'm a coach and tax specialist for Buckshock owner. So again, this is how you can get in touch with me. Email legacy transport gmail.com. That's my email. And 404-322-8827 is my cell phone number. So to have a consultation with me, my consultation is $25. So is the link is gonna be in the description box. Oh, I'm sorry, I misspelled cell phone. In the description box of the video, and I have membership courses and that you can access to where I have several classes like Amazon, how to master Amazon Relay, that Amazon Relay load bar, or how to store up your box stroke business from A to Z, in other coachings of video that you can learn a lot from it. So again, hop to the go to the website and you can see. All right, thank you. Until the next video. Bye and keep the hustle on. And I talk to you next time.